What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape products from Amazon automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape products from Amazon automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for scraping the products for us. So in Claude, I'm going to click on Customize right here and click on Skills to create the skill that will be responsible for scraping our products. And here I'm going to click on the plus icon right here. Then here we're going to create the skill using Claude. Here I'm going to hit enter to describe the skill that we'd like Claude to create for us. So we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that takes a product category and filters, then scrapes Amazon products listings, extracting key details for each product, including product name, price, ratings, number of reviews, product URL, brand, key features, and availability, then organizes the results into a Google Sheet with clearly defined columns such as product name, price, rating, review count, product URL, brand, key features, availability, and return only a shareable Google Sheets link as the final output. I'm going to hit enter and give Claude a second for it to create the skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. So it takes the product category, then searches for the product in Amazon, then extracts the key fields, then adds the fields to a Google Sheet, and then returns only the Google Sheet link to preview the products. Here I'm going to click on save to save our skill. Then on the right, we can preview our skill right here. See if it has everything that is required of the skill. Now to make any changes to the skill, to maybe include or exclude some information from the skill, just click on the three dots right here, click on edit. Here you can include the information that you'd like the skill to have manually, or you can choose to edit the skill using Claude, where you can include the information or tell Claude to remove some information from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we're going to use it to scrape products from Amazon. So we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape recent mirrorless camera listings on Amazon under $1,000. Extract key product details including product name, price, rating, number of reviews, product URL, brand, key features, and availability, and save the results into a Google Sheet with columns product name, price, rating, review count, product URL, brand, key features, availability, then return only the shareable Google Sheets link to scrape the products. I'm going to hit enter right here. Give it a second for Claude to use our skill to scrape our products for us. Now, when we open our link here, you can see the 10 products that we asked Claude to scrape for us. So here you can see the product name, features of the product, brand, availability, price, rating, review count, and the product URL. We are scraping mirrorless cameras. Here are the key features, each product, the brand, the availability, the price, rating, review count, and the product URL. In case we're impressed with one of the products and would like to make a purchase, this is really incredible. So we successfully scraped these 10 products from Amazon automatically, then added the products to the spreadsheet over here using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Let us try scraping a couple of more products from Amazon using our skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape recent gaming laptop listings on Amazon under $1,500. Then extract the details, and then add the products to a spreadsheet, and only return a shareable Google Sheets link for review. Here I'm going to hit enter. So here you can see it successfully scraped over 10 laptops from Amazon and added the laptops to a spreadsheet right here. Let us open the link to preview our laptops. Now when we open our link, here you can see our 10 gaming laptops under $1,500 over here. Here's the product name, key features, brand, availability, price, ratings, review count, and the product URL right here. You can preview the product name, the key features of the laptops, the brand, and open a couple of links to preview the products. Successfully scrape these gaming laptops from Amazon automatically, then added the laptops to a spreadsheet right here. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude, let us try scraping a couple of more products from Amazon using our skill. So here we're going to use our skill, which is the Amazon product scraper, and tell Claude use this skill to scrape wireless earbuds listings from on Amazon under $200 and extract their product details and add the product details to a Google Sheet and output only the link to preview the products. Yeah, I'm going to hit enter. Here you can see we instructed it to scrape for us 10 wireless earbuds from Amazon that are under $200. It went ahead and scraped the products for us and added the products to the spreadsheet right here. Let's open the link to preview our products. When we open our link, here you can see our 10 wireless earbuds right here. Here are the product names, key features, the brand, price, availability, ratings, review count, and the product URL right here. You can see product name, features of each product, brand, price, availability, and the product URL. So we successfully scraped these 10 wireless earbuds from Amazon automatically, then added the products to our spreadsheet right here. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude, let us try scraping a couple of more products from Amazon. To scrape a couple of more products using our skill, we're going to tell Claude use this skill to scrape recent high quality productivity tech gear listings from Amazon under $250 and add the products to a Google Sheet and output only the link to preview the product. Here I'm going to hit enter. So here you can see it successfully scraped our productivity tech gear listings from Amazon. Then added the 10 products to our spreadsheet right here. To preview the products, I'm going to open this link. Now, when we open our spreadsheet, here you can see our products, their features, brand, availability, price, ratings, review count, the product URL here. So these were the productivity tech gears that we asked Claude to scrape for us from Amazon. Here are the product names. You can preview the features of each product right here. The brands, availability, the price, ratings, review count, and the product URL in case you like to purchase any of the products. This is incredible. We successfully scraped these products from Amazon automatically, then added the products to the spreadsheet right here. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude. That is how you can easily scrape products from Amazon automatically using our skill, and then add the products to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.